Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2019 Ford Everest, stock number 6679. This ran from the 7th 2015 and the 5th 2022. Has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight, left-hand guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right hand door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,